I have a nice time answering your questions here on the beach in Barcelona. Look at that, if you want a bit of chill, eh? And then that's my house where I live, my flat, sorry, is 9 minutes away from there. So, one of the lovely questions I've been asked is, and it's understandable, like what comes first? Oh my goodness, do you recommend I get investors first, especially because estate agents are going to ask for proof of funds? And that's really relevant, particularly for people who don't have proof of funds and need proof of funds. We're going up the pier, by the way, guys. This is where we're going. Look at there we go. And look, the sunset just happening. There you go. Woohoo! Well, I recommend it's a flow, because you need investors who aren't going to disappear because you haven't brought any deals in, and then you also need deals who won't disappear because you haven't got any money, i.e. investors, to buy them with. So it is kind of half and half. And then of course you also need to run your business, don't you? Educate yourself, learn, develop your processes and systems. So you want to do it all at the same time, but like, Suze, that's going to blow my brain. How's that going to work? Well, you need to, let me just not fall over. You need to manage your mind, your time. You need to manage yourself. You need to be aware of how you manage your business. Oh, come on, let's just sit in the sunshine, shall we? So, what I've seen work the most successfully for people, look at that. Can you see? It's glorious. Is what they do is they do about 30% of their time working on deals. They do 30% of their time working with investors, and they do 40% of the time, like you are right now, you're learning about your business, aren't you? And that's generally where I've seen people be really quite successful. In the early days, it's still going to be super clunky. There's no doubt about it. It's going to be like stop, start, got a deal, no investor, got investor, no deal. But if you keep that flow moving, that 30, 30, 40, 30 investors, 30 deals, 40% working on your business, like you are right now, educating yourself, over time, it starts to get smoother. The investors start to come in. You start to have repeating investors. You start to have repeating estate agents. It just gets a lot easier for you. So that would be my recommendation. And that certainly worked for me. So give it a thumbs up if you like the vid, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and really wonderfully for you, pop on over to my website. It's thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. We've got loads of really great online material for you that you can get straight away. And good luck. All right, if you want to know more about raising private finance, over here you can click on and download immediately my fundraising pack. It is stacked full of everything I use to raise millions of pounds, well worth downloading now.